Hey everyone, this is Haza from Home, the YouTube channel that shares work from home and remote job opportunities that are currently hiring right now. And I also share helpful resources to achieve your financial goals. I share tips and tricks on how to improve your resume and get fair chance of getting hired. Now let me know in the comment section if you get hired from one of the jobs that I featured here in my channel. Now, my goal is to help anyone else that is currently still in the trenches of their job seeking journey. So, if that's currently you, and you simply just want to help to level up with cool information resources, you're going to love this channel. So feel free to kick off your shoes, relax your feet, and subscribe if you feel the vibes. So, before I'm going to share with you the company that is currently hiring right now, if you want to learn how to engage in a casual and formal conversation, you can also learn business English and daily conversation. Whether you are a beginner, advanced, or intermediate, if you are an English learner who likes to have friendly, cheerful, enthusiastic, and fun to talk, then book a class with me and see how far we can both go in this English learning journey. Let me share with you the curriculum. So experience a whole new level of language proficiency with BH English tutorial. So we tailored classes for every age group, lessons for kids up to adults from basic to advanced levels of expert instruction. Comprehensive curriculum, mastered phonics and grammar essentials, deepen your fluency in advanced English with business terminology, and an easy and fun way to learn medical words and meanings. And professionals who want to improve their English communication in a work environment. And also preparation for exams, OET for nurses, IELTS, TOEIC, and TOEFL.
Today, I'm going to share another ESL job where you can earn while staying from home. You can earn 300 pesos per 50 minutes class. So let's talk about the requirements. You should able to work at least 3 times a week on weekdays and on Saturday morning. So you can work anytime between the following time frame. So on weekdays from Monday to Friday, you can start working at 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. That's GST, Japan time. On Saturday morning, you can work from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. That's GST, Japan time. Now, the lesson duration here is 50 minutes per class. So within your available hours, they will assign as many students as possible within the time frame. It is offer based. You will deliver a 15-minute trial private lesson for a student or a group of two students. If the student signs up, you will deliver lessons regularly at fixed date and time. It normally takes a few months to fill your schedule because that depends if the students choose you as their teacher after the trial class. Now let's talk about the minimum qualification. So you should be professional English teacher, a licensed English teacher. If you are not a licensed English teacher, they will still going to accept you, but you should have experience in teaching online and or at educational institutes for more than 3 years. So you should have experience in teaching phonics from A to Z, long or short vowels, double consonants, and two-letter vowels, and conversational practice to kids from 5 to 15 years old and able to work for a long term. Now let's talk about the preferred qualification. So if you don't have any license, you should have TESOL or TEFL or CELTA certificate. You should be intelligent, positive, outgoing personality. Now excellent communication skills, both written and verbal. Now you should have great interpersonal skills, flexible and reactive to unexpected incidents. And you should have experience in teaching online for more than 3 years. Now let's talk about the most frequently asked question, the payment. Now, one lesson here is 50 minutes and they will pay you 300 pesos. If you are not a licensed teacher, the rate might start from 200 pesos depending on the interview result. Now, they also have group lessons that's 20% on top of the base rate. Now, for example, if you have 10 students per week, you will receive 12,000 pesos a month. If you have 15 students per week, you will receive 18,000 pesos per month. So the name of the company is Ochi Enter. This is based in Tokyo, Japan, and this is their client website. So they teach from beginners to advanced English learners and also toddlers. And here, what's good news about this company is if you want to enroll this July, they have free trial class this July. So you can just simply fill in the application if you want to request for a trial class. So they do have application form for the trial class. Okay, so let's click here, and then the client will fill in this information here and your preferred date and time, and then click proceed to confirmation screen. So after that, that's depend on the course you want. So the secretariat will inform you by phone or by email and how to set the schedule and take the trial lesson. And then third, permanent registration. So if you decide to join, they will inform you of the teaching materials, the days and times, and you can start taking the course on the first of every month or in the middle of the month. And if you wish to participate from the first of the following month, so you can complete the application and procedure by the 25 of the month before the month in which you want to start participating. So in addition, you can purchase teaching materials from the designated URL. So they're going to give you URL instruction to fix the day and time, and then the course plan if you decided. So here, the fourth one is enrollment and start of lesson. So you can take the course from the start date decided in advance with the secretariat on the day and time of the week you applied. Yeah, they also have face to face, right? Not just online classes. So if you want to apply here in this company, I'm going to leave on the description box the email address where you can send your application. So that's it for today's video. This has been your teacher Hazel once again saying dream without fear, love without limits, live without regrets. Till next time.